way home, however, the weather changed. Wind and rain buffeted Edward. His sanding gear failed, his wheels slipped, and his fireman rode in front, dropping sand on the rails by hand. "Come on, come on, come on," panted Edward breathlessly. "This is dreadful." But there was worse to come. Before his driver could check them, his wheels slipped fiercely again and again. With a shrieking crash, something broke and pattered his frame and splashers up and out of shape.